Hello everybody, this is another Hot Wheels collector video and today I've got another brand new casting for you guys. This one is super cool, just take a look at this thing. This is the Renault Espace F1. What a cool car. I know here in the UK there's been a lot of hype around this thing and I think it deserves it, to be honest. Let's jump straight into this thing then. So first of all, this thing is rolling on the Aerodisc wheels, which have been done in black with a chrome lip to them. Very cool. This car has been painted in a glossy yellow paint job. Very cool there. We've got a lot of tamper work on the side of this thing. Well, I believe it's tamper work. Let me just see. Oh no, I think it's plastic. It's actually plastic. It is the black interior plastic here being used to create the side of this thing. Very cool. We do have tamper work on that plastic though. We've got the Espace F1 logo there, very nice. And we've also got some vents there done in silver as well. You can see the door handles in the metal casting of this thing. This thing does have wing mirrors, which is great to see. Of course, it's got black interior plastic, as I mentioned before, and this thing's side windows are completely wound up. This thing does have a yellow base as well, just for your information. Moving on to the front then, because that's it for the side. We've got the headlights tampered on here, as well as the Renault badge. We've also got the main front grille of this car in the metal casting. And then the lower portion of this car's front bumper has been created by the yellow base plastic. And in that we've got a few vents, as well as the main lower vent here, which does lead through to the black interior plastic there, which has been detailed very nicely as well. You can see some nice lines in that to make it look more accurate to the real life thing. Very cool. On to the next side. This side is the same as the previous, so I'm not going to bore you here. So onto the rear. This thing looks crazy from the rear. Just take a look at this. We've got a giant spoiler in the metal casting. Looks really cool and accurate to the real life car, may I add. On the rear you can also see some more vents in the rear fenders of this car. You can also see this car's rear lights in the metal casting, as well as the rear license plate holder portion of this thing, and the license plate lights. And we've also got some more vents on the rear of this thing as well. Those have been engraved into the base plastic of this thing, which has been used to create the rear bumper of this car. I believe this thing also has a track light on the rear of this thing as well, in the metal casting. I would also like to mention that you can see this thing does have a rear window wiper as well. Very cool to see. A very nice detail. Makes this thing look a lot more realistic. I'm really happy to see that. Onto the top, there's the spoiler from the top view. Absolutely crazy. There's no tamper work up here. You can see the interior of this car. This thing is left-hand drive. We've got windshield wipers on this car in the window plastic. That is great to see. And then onto the hood, there's no details on that whatsoever, no tamper work, no details in the metal casting. So yeah, that's really it for this car. What a great model. It looks really accurate to the real life car. When I first saw rumours of the Espace F1 coming to the Hot Wheels lineup, I personally didn't even believe them. I didn't think this car would ever come to the Hot Wheels lineup. I thought it was quite an obscure one, but here it is. They've done a great job on the execution of this thing. It looks really good from all angles, and for a mainline it's got plenty of tamper work. I love how they've used the plastic to create the entirety of the side of this car. Just adds a lot more detail and makes it look a lot more accurate to the real life car, which obviously I can't complain about. I'm very happy to be able to say that. But yeah, that's really it for this car, and that's really it for this video. What do you guys think of this car in the comments down below? Let me know. I personally really do like this thing. I think it's a great addition to anybody's collection, especially those who collect racing cars or French cars. But yeah, that's really it for this video, so I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. Take care everyone, bye bye.